These Prime Day deals aren't messing around. We're talking the latest chips, blazing fast SSDs, ultra-smooth screens, and AI-powered features, all slashed to prices you won't see again anytime soon. Whether you're leveling up your gaming setup, powering through work, or diving into creative projects, this is the moment to grab your dream laptop without the wait or the markup. Let's dive in. All product links are provided in the description below. For live hourly updates on deals, check out thedetailedguide.com. Number 21. Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook. Was $289, now $182. Surprisingly capable for the price. 15.6-inch FHD screen for streaming and homework, durable build to handle daily knocks, and all at under $200. A steal for students or light users. Number 20. Acer Chromebook Plus 514. Was $399, now $319. Stylish, slim, and smarter with built-in Google AI tools. The crisp 14-inch FHD touchscreen feels far pricier than it is, making browsing, docs, and videos a real pleasure. Number 19. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i RTX 5090. Was $3,999, now $3,599. Pure gaming muscle. RTX 5090 graphics, powerhouse i9 CPU, massive 32GB RAM, and 2TB SSD. It's built to crush AAA titles and look great doing it. Now, $400 off. Number 18. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i RTX 5070 Ti. Was $2,849, now $2,499. Lightning fast 240Hz OLED screen, top-tier specs, and a slick design. The i9 CPU and 32GB RAM keep even the most demanding games silky smooth. Number 17. Asus ROG Strix G18 RTX 4070. Was $2,299, now $2,109. A giant 18-inch display that pulls you right into the action, combined with i9 power and RTX 4070 graphics. Perfect for serious gaming sessions that need to look and feel big. Number 16. Acer Predator Helios Neo 14. Was $1,749, now $1,449. Compact yet fierce. Intel Ultra 9 CPU, RTX 4070 graphics, and a sharp 165Hz display. Packs premium power into a sleek design, and now $300 cheaper. Number 15. Gigabyte Aorus 16X, RTX 4070. Was $1,949, now $1,522. A great blend of style and speed. RTX 4070, i7 CPU, generous 32GB RAM, and a crisp 165Hz screen, built to keep your games and multitasking running flawlessly.
Number 14. Gigabyte G6 RTX 4050. Was $999, now $849. Affordable gaming without the compromises. RTX 4050 graphics, i7 CPU, and roomy 1TB storage. A solid choice for everyday play and productivity. Number 13. Acer Nitro V15 RTX 4050. Was $769, now $692. Budget friendly, yet game ready. Smooth 144Hz screen, RTX 4050, and Ryzen 5 chip keep competitive games snappy without draining your wallet. Number 12. Asus TUF Gaming F16 RTX 560. Was $1,539, now $1,159. All the essentials for modern gaming: RTX 5060 GPU, fast 165Hz display, and 32GB of RAM, built to handle today's titles at a price that feels right. Number 11. MSI Katana 15HX RTX 5070. Was $1,679, now $1,417. Striking design, serious power. i9 CPU, RTX 5070 graphics, and a buttery smooth 165Hz QHD Plus display. Higher end gaming without breaking the bank. Number 10. Alienware 16 Aurora RTX 5060 was $1,499, now $1,099. Iconic Alienware style meets solid performance. RTX 5060, Core 7 CPU, and a vibrant 16-inch 120Hz screen. $400 off makes it even sweeter. Number 9. MacBook Pro M4 Pro 512 gigabytes was $1,999, now $1,799. Designed for creators who need extra muscle, M4 Pro chip, sharper graphics, and Thunderbolt 5 ports. $200 off a machine built for editing, design, and more. Number 8. MacBook Pro M4 512 gigabytes was $1,599, now $1,429. Smooth performance meets bright, detailed visuals on the 14.2-inch Retina display. The M4 chip keeps everything fast and battery life stretches all day. Number 6. MacBook Air M4 13-inch was $999, now $849. Ultra portable, beautifully thin, and now even quicker with the M4 chip. The 13.6-inch liquid Retina display is sharp and colorful, great for work or Netflix marathons. Number 5. Acer Swift 14 AI was $1,099, now $849. Super slim, lightweight, and lasts up to 17 hours on a single charge. Stunning 14.5-inch 2.5K 120Hz touchscreen and Snapdragon X Plus chip for effortless multitasking. Number 4. Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 was $2,999, now $899. Huge price drop on serious hardware. Ryzen 7 CPU, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and the spacious 16-inch WUXGA display. Ideal for power users and
Number 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop 2024 was $999, now $889. Stylish, ultra slim, and quick thanks to the Snapdragon X Plus chip. The Copilot Plus features make everyday tasks smoother, all on a compact 13.8-inch display. Number 2. HP Omnibook 5 was $799, now $678. AI smarts meet daily practicality. Copilot Plus, roomy 16-inch 2K touchscreen, Ryzen AI chip, and a big 1 terabyte SSD. Ideal for multitasking, creative work, or study. Number 1. HP Laptop 15 was $1,999, now $499. Over $1,500 off. 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and Windows 11 Pro make this an incredible deal for students or anyone needing an everyday laptop with serious memory and storage. That's it for today's Prime Day laptop deals. Grab yours now before prices jump back up. Deals run from 8th to 11th July. Subscribe and hit the bell for more hot deals coming your way. Thanks for watching.